Okay, welcome to this unboxing video. We have some extremely rare devices in here. Well, at least one. I know what one is. I don't know what the other one is. So, these are from the Simplex 4903. Make sure to go check out his channel after this video, and let's get on with the unboxing. Oh, man, I'm gonna need the scissors back. Oh, man, there's another. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay, let's first take a look at this. Oh, wow, we have a Firelight BG12. Dang. I was not expecting that. It's the Allen wrench version. That's cool. Nice. All right, now here's what we're really looking for. We got, that's right, we got a 40, 50, 80 type. And then, right here, oops, we have a mechanical chime. So, this thing is really cool. Let's see if I can draw a model number off this. 405083. And this is the dual bulb version, dual bulb. This is the back box for it, of course. We've got the tabs and everything on it. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out how could you go about mounting this thing. Oh, I guess you mount it like this. So, unfortunately, at least for today, I cannot operate this because all my stuff is packed up. So once I get into the new house, which we have not found yet, this thing, I'll release a video of it working, and hopefully I'll have a transformer by then, because for some reason, this thing is 4 volts AC, and the other thing, the light plate is 120. So, yeah. Alright, so thanks for watching this unboxing video. I know it was short, but it was supposed to be. So we'll see you next time, whenever that is.